once again, I welcome you with Brian and Alex for my new video lecture, Mechatronics Hands-on Learning for Understanding Sensor Technology. In this video, we are going to see the working of ultrasonic sensor. We will use HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor and we'll see how we can code through Arduino and can observe the working for this ultrasonic sensor. A simple flowchart is that we will write a code first. This code will generate a signal, and that signal will go to the our ultrasonic sensor, and we can measure the distance from the ultrasonic sensor, that how far our object is with this ultrasonic sensor. So let's see the task objective. The objective is to use the ultrasonic sensor with Arduino and understand how it can diagnose the distance of object from our sensor. For this task, we require a breadboard, Arduino UNO, connecting wires, and of course, an ultrasonic sensor. If we see the experimental setup, so this we will develop. So this is our ultrasonic sensor, which we will connect through these four wires with our Arduino board. And then once we will move this mouse as an object with this ultrasonic sensor, we can observe the distance on our serial monitor. And this is the code which we will discuss after a few seconds. Before that, let's see. We have four wires which are connected through ultrasonic sensor with Arduino board. So for your convenience, we are giving the wire in terms of their wire color coding. So red, green, yellow, blue. So these the if you see in terms of the numbers, which is also written over here, the codes. So VCC, trig, echo, and ground. So these we will connect with 5 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, and ground. So let's see first the code which is over here. So we will define the trig at the pin 2, echo at pin 3, which are the words from the ultrasonic sensor. Then we will set the first code and we will define our pin mode, trig and echo, which we have already given to, and the output will come at trig, and echo, the input will come at echo, and output will go from this trig, the pin. And for giving the loop, we have digital write trig that will be low first, then we will give a 2 second delay, and then we'll give the trigger high. Then every 2 seconds, it will measure the sense the distance, and it will calculate the distance with the different time, and will finally you will get the distance at your serial monitor. So let's see how it will work. For this, we open the camera first, and you can see this is the setup which I just explained you. Our four pins are connected in this way, which we have already seen on our slide. Now if I run the code, the same which I just explained you before, so if I run this, and after running, let's see the serial monitor. So you can see here distance something, which from now you can see on this camera. The mouse is at some certain distance, which is showing by this ultrasonic sensor, which is sensing. Now, if we move this mouse, so you can see we are reducing the distance, and it is appearing on the serial monitor. And again, if we increase the distance, it will again increase, and the distance you can measure through the you can see through the serial monitor, which you are diagnosing through this ultrasonic sensor. So I hope the concept of ultrasonic sensor is clear to you. Thank you very much.